Hello everybody, in this video I will tell you how to do line spacing in MS Word. Now first understand that what is line spacing. So as you can see there is so much gap in these lines and here you can see the gap is much shorter. So how we can adjust it according to us. So let's learn. This is the symbol or the arrow for line and paragraph spacing. So let's select the whole paragraph. I am selecting the whole paragraph with the help of mouse or keyboard. You can also do. Afterwards, you have to click on this arrow. See it in the Home tab. In the paragraph group, you can find this symbol. Click on this arrow. Line and spacing. See up. This time I am not clicking. I am just moving my arrow. If I move my arrow here, you can see it got contract. And as I move my arrow in the bigger numbers, the line spacing increases. So this is basically the line spacing. That is the space between our lines. So you can move it according to you. But if you do not want to keep any space between these lines, what you have to do, you simply have to click on line spacing options. As you click on this option, you can see a window appears. So here you can set the margins according to you. Like here before 0 point and after, if we do not want any space, then set it to 0. I'm setting it 0. Line spacing multiple, no. Single. And don't add space between paragraphs of the same style because you don't want any space. Click on this, tick on this, and as you click OK, see what happens. As I'm clicking OK, you will see it has come a little upwards. Again I will do it. Now see, if I do Ctrl Z, see, Ctrl Z, now the space has come again, but after line spacing the space has gone. But now see, again line spacing, I'm selecting this whole, all the three paragraphs. Now afterwards what happens, again I'm clicking on this arrow, see 1.0, 1.15, 1.5, 2.0, it is automatically increasing. The line distance automatically keeps on increasing. And as you click on line spacing options, again you do the same thing. You keep the multiple line spacing, it's keep it single, and then don't space. If you want space, no, we do not want space, don't add space. So as I click on OK, see what happens to the document. OK, see, it got little contracted. So according to this you can adjust your line spacing. Like in these two lines I want more space, so I'm selecting these two lines, and from this line spacing I'm taking it 2.0. see, the distance between these lines increases. So similarly you can set the line spacing and paragraph spacing according to you. So only this much in this video. Now we will learn more things in the next video. So till then, keep supporting us. Do subscribe and do share and be with us. Thank you.